Okay, we're here in Cedar Park. We got called out to repaint a kitchen that was painted by another painter. I guess the quality isn't good on this job. I'm gonna go do a walkthrough. You can see grease spots. That means they didn't prime it. Overspray. They didn't caulk seams. Got some runs here. Doesn't look like it got cleaned or primed. Some weird stuff going on there. Overspray over the appliances. Overspray over hinges. Normally we take off all the doors so that doesn't happen. Yep, didn't clean. I don't think they primed either. Probably not because it's scraping. And they didn't put any new pads on every door. Look at this, missed caulking. Oh well, yeah, look at that. We're gonna be changing those out. Here's something to think about when you're designing the kitchen. Make sure your drawers and doors open properly. Learn that the hard way.